Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you live in Nigeria or you're a Nigerian with a Nigerian Gate.io account, I'm going to show you how to earn $50 in this particular video. Alright, all you have to do is just to make sure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. And in case you're visiting us for the first time or you're not yet subscribed, kindly do well to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Then you as well go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell to all so you always get notifications of important videos like this. Alright, now over here is my account on Gate.io guys, and over here guys you can discover that as a Nigerian I'll be able to claim about $50 in this particular event. Alright, and this is not going to last for a very long time. We only have about 8 days and some hours remaining until the end of this event. All right, so to participate is really very simple. Check down the video description. You're going to find the link to this particular event. All right, once you get to this page, all you have to do is just to go ahead, log in your account, your Gate.io account. Once you're done logging in, you come up here and click on this one that says join now. Remember guys, if you don't click on this one that says join now, you will not be able to participate in this particular event. All right, and like I said guys, you can win up to $50. If I scroll down a bit guys, you discover that you have up to 0.2 USDT to about 50 USDT to claim. All right, with a 50% chance of claiming any of them. You could claim 0.2 USDT, you could claim 0.5 USDT, you could claim $1, $5, $20, $50. All right, now I'm going to show you all it takes to win all of these USDTs guys. Now if you scroll down to the end of this page guys, you're going to meet these particular rules written here. You can see for you to be able to actually participate in this particular event and claim out $50, you'll be able to click on the join now icon. You can see this right here. Participants must click on the join now button on the events page, register for the event and complete identity verification to receive rewards. All right, so you must complete your KYC verification for you to be able to claim out your rewards from this particular event. All right, and for you to also claim out as high as $50, you must be able to accumulate a considerable amount of trading volume, which I'm going to show you in this particular video. All right, you could as well come up here to read other details, other rules you need to obey in this particular event for you to be able to claim out your rewards. All right, then if I scroll up a bit guys, you discover that like I showed you before now guys, you could win 0.2 to $50, but you need tickets. All right, now to get these tickets, at the moment I have 0 tickets for my lucky draw. To win these tickets, if I scroll down a bit, you see all you need to do to win tickets that you use to get all of these USDTs. All right, now the first one guys, that is the task one, is just to sign up and complete your KYC verification. Once you're done with this, you get 1 ticket to come here and spin this wheel and get either $0.2, $0.5 or even $50. All right, once you're done with that guys, if you want to go for more, you could deposit up to 10 USDT. All right, if you deposit about 10 USDT and okay, you can see deposit at least 10 USDT to receive 1 lucky draw. So if you make deposit of 10 USDT in your account, you stand a chance of getting a ticket to spin this wheel. All right, now if you go ahead to trade with your 10 USDT, all right, go ahead, trade with your 10 USDT and accumulate a trading volume greater than 10 USDT, you get another ticket. All right, once you get another ticket, you as well come up here and spin this wheel and win some more USDT. All right, once you're done accumulating a trading volume greater than 10, if you want to go for more guys, you could accumulate trading volume greater than 100 USDT, you get another lucky draw. All right, if you scroll down a bit, you discover that accumulating trading volume greater than 500 USDT will fetch you extra tickets to spin the wheel. All right, accumulating 1000 USDT trading volume will fetch you extra 1 ticket. You can see this right here. If you scroll down a bit, you discover that getting $1,500 will fetch you 1 ticket, and so on guys. You can see them all listed here. The higher you go, the more tickets you get to come and spin this wheel and win any of these prizes. All right, $0.2, $0.5, 1 USDT, 5, 20, 50 USDTs, any of these. All right, now this is all it takes. And if you don't have an account with Gate.io guys, I'll be leaving the link for you guys in the video description for you to get started. All you have to do is just click on it and it will take you to the official site. Go ahead, create an account with them and use my promo code, which is in the video description, so you'll be able to get some rewards from your sign-up bonus. All right, so if you have questions to ask on this particular event, do well to put it down in the comment section and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. And guys, remember that this is exclusively for Nigerians and those who have a Nigerian account. All right, that is on gate.io. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.